Hello students, how are you? Assalamualaikum. I hope you people are fine. Today we are going to start exercise 2C, question number 2, right? In question of 1, it is just some examples and some questions and some parts, and we'll see in those that these are the values are direct proportion or inverse proportion, right? Here again in exercise 2C we will do the practice of direct proportion, but the difference in the previous questions and today's questions are that look, in the previous question we have y is directly proportional to only x. But here in this exercise we have y is directly proportional to x squared. So when we remove this sign of motion right here k, so y is equal to kx squared. This is the equation. Now for the part 1 we have y is equal to maybe we need to draw the graph as well here. Now, y is equal to here as y is equal to what is the k? K we have to find the value of the k first. So here y 18 k and x is 3 square. So 18 is equal to k into 9. So 18 over 9 is equal to k. So 9 2s are 18. So k is equal to 2. Right? Now again write it here. Y is equal to kx. Now in part 1 we have the value of the x, we have the value of the k, and we are going to find the value of the y. Right? So here y is equal to 2, this is the value of the k, and the x is 5. So y is equal to 2 into 25, that is 50. Right? Now again, part 2. Here for the part 2, we have the value of the y, that is 32 is equal to 2 into x squared. So 32 over 2 is equal to x squared. So 16 is equal to x squared, and 16 is equal to x squared. Take root on both sides. So 4 is equal to x. Right? Here we have solved the question. Now when x is 4, then y is, when x is 4, y is 32. When x is 5, y is 50. So 50. Similarly, we split the value. Suppose y is equal to 2 into 1 square, so y is equal to 2. So when x is 1, y is 2. Right? You can solve these and find these values here like this, that y is equal to kx squared when x is 3, right, or 2. So 2 into 2 square, so y is equal to 8. So 2 and 8. When y is equal to 2, x is 3. We have done this, we have already done this. Then y is to be 18. So it is 18. It is already given. So it is 18. When x is, we have already done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We write here 6 now. Then y is, x is 6. this is so the answer of the y is 72. So we will not go ahead because we have so many big values here and maybe it is not possible for us to draw here on the board. Now I'm going to draw the graph for you people here. Here I'm going to draw the graph as well. I'm going to draw this one. Look at here. This is x, O, y, right? So we write the value of the x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, 1. Here, we have to take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Maybe more than 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Right? So here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 29, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 45, 46, 48, 46, 50. Right? I'm not going to write all the numbers here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Maybe we'll take the negative values as well here, but here at the moment I'm going to take only the positive values, right? And I'm just going to tell you that how we draw the graph, how we find the values. I have told you here. Now here, for the 1 is, for the 2 it is 8. For the 3 it is 18. For the 4 it is 32. 30 and this is 30. And the 5 it is 50. Here. So just we'll do this. Right? This is the graph after y is equal to x square. Right? As now I'm going to solve next question, and maybe not third, it is fourth. Okay? I'm going to skip one of the. I'm going to skip the one of the question, and then we'll solve the tables. And in this, I just tell you how to solve the equations when one of the variable is a bit square or cubes. Right? I'm going to solve the next one. Now, I'm going to solve this one here in question number 3. We'll sum 4. Question 4. I have 3 skipped. After 2, I have skipped one question. Now I'm going to solve question number 3. I have skipped in 4. Here, z square is proportional to w, directly proportional to w. So z square is equal to kw. We substitute the values of z and w. We have 4 square is equal to k into 8. 16 is equal to 8k. 16 over 8 is equal to k, and 8 to the 16 2 is equal to k. Now we are going to find, this is the equation. We find z when w 18. Find z when w is 18. Again, he is saying that find w when z is 5. Right? And similarly, we have to draw value, we have to draw the graph as we have done in the previous question. I'll try my best to draw this now and check the values possible for this small board. I'll rub all the board and then so. Now for the first part, listen that z square is equal to kw. This is the equation connecting z and w, right? So here for the z, we say for the first part, we say find the value of the z when the value of the k is 2 and w is 18. So z square is equal to 36. So z is equal to plus minus 6, or here you can write only 6 as. Now for the second part, he is saying that again we write the same formula here. Z square is equal to kw. Value of the z is 5 square, k is 2. This is w. It is 25 over 2 is equal to w. Where w is going to multiply, when we take to the other side of this equal, we divide it, so it is 12.5. Right? This w and this is z. Right? Now, you see people that when it is here, it is z6, z is 6, and here w is 12.5, one value is z. Now I'm going to rub the whole part trying the graph, right? Here for the graph, look at here. For the graph, we make here the table. To sketch the graph, first of all, we should have table x and y. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. When x is, now we put it here, z square is equal to kw. Sorry, we take here, this is z, this is w, right? Value of the k is 2, then z square, it is 2 into, what we write here, will start from the 2. Uh, 2, 8, $18, and we'll think about it that we'll write the values here, we write that when we solve it, we can solve the square root, and the number should be whole numbers, not the decimals. Okay? This is 32. And the 4. so and we have two. These are 4. So we have here 4, 2 and 2. These are 4. 4 square root of 4 is again 2. Then 16, 16 square root 4. 36 square root 6. Then we have 32 plus 64. Square root of 64 is 8. Then we can say 50. These are 100. And this is right. So here we have just saw that orally what I have done. We take here 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Then we take a square root like this. 2 into 8. 3 square is 16. So we will take the square root, which is similar. Now here, this is where we draw W and here we draw Z, right? So here 4, not 2, 8, 18, 32, and this is 10. And I put it like this here. This is 10. Right? And for this here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then this is 2, 4. This is 2, 8, 18, and this is 30. This is just imaginary. This is not exact values I have drawn here because my board size is so small that they are not properly. But you people have to do this. This is 2, 2, then 8, 4, then 18, 6, then 32, 8, then 50, 10. So this is the line, this is the graph we have drawn here. So dear students, today we have seen that how we have solved the question number 2 and 4 and with the scale of the variables. One of the variable is with the scale, right? And today we have already also solved only the scales, direct proportion also. Okay, maybe in the next question, in the next my video, I will try to solve the tables or anything else which is very important for you people to tell you people that how can we solve, right? Thank you so much, and please leave in and video. I again request you people, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Really, I'm very thankful to you, and I'm always waiting for your comments. If you have any queries, please you people can get. Really, thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.